ニコニコニコニコニコニコニコ
Hey folks, thanks for joining me once again for yet another taste test. This time around we're having a look at Japanese Pepsi Cola. So yeah, I got this recently from an online store. Yeah, Japanese Pepsi Cola is pretty scarce in Australia, but you can find it online. Very curious to try this because yeah, once upon a time I really used to like drinking Pepsi, but in recent times, yeah, it just doesn't taste the same. I won't go too much into that, but yeah, if I want a cola, I'll generally go for Coca-Cola these days. But yeah, it is something Jez and I discussed recently, and it got me thinking about, well, you know, what does the Japanese variant of Pepsi Cola taste like? So let's crack open this can and find out. I'll pour it out into this glass with some ice for texture, and we'll make an assessment. All right, looking very Pepsi-like, and I got to say, it's a stunning looking can. Yeah, yeah, that would certainly entice me to buy it. So yeah, the head has fizzed out, and yeah, we're left with a dark brown appearance. Let's check out the aroma. All right, yeah, very distinctive, you know, Pepsi aroma. You know, got some sort of caramel coming through. I wonder if this one uses cola nut. That'd be interesting to know. Rightio, well, we've talked about the appearance and aroma, so time for the taste test. Cheers to you all. All right, well, it definitely tastes more like the Pepsi that I remember. Yeah, perhaps even a little bit better. But definitely very different to the Pepsi that we get in Australia. Yeah, definitely very refreshing. You know, it hits the spot. Wow. Has a bit more of a syrupy sort of sweetness to it, you could say. No, it's certainly got a bit more going on flavour-wise. That's for sure. Yeah, look, I'm impressed. Yeah, I definitely try it again, and yeah, I definitely yeah, drink Pepsi if I was in Japan. Yeah, this Japanese variant of it's pretty damn good. So I'll have one final gulp and give it a score out of 10. All right, pretty good. Yeah, a lot more like the Pepsi of my youth. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. They've done a good job with this one in Japan. Rightio, well, thanks for joining me. I'm just going to kick back and enjoy the rest of this Pepsi, and I'll see you all in the next review. But until then, fare thee well, all.